waist off the ground, find a balanced position by bringing your arms forward. Stretch your legs slightly and at the same time bend your body backward into a reclining position. For the greater contraction of the abdominal muscles, bring the knees closer to your chest while returning to the starting position. To decrease the intensity of the exercise, you can perform the movement with supported hands. The crunch with knees to the chest, better known as double crunch, is an advanced level exercise for training the abdominal area and for the stabilization of the lumbar area. The reverse crunch part of this exercise, the one that involves the legs, trains in particular the lower part of your abdominals. It is important to remember that one of the muscles involved in this exercise are the hips flexors. They are the first to be activated during the movement of the knees toward the chest.